Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Paul here, and we've had some updates from the last video. Now we have started the shopping mall with a stream going through it with checkered tiles. I'm going to order more in the next few weeks so we can get this wrapped up. Over here, the modern mansion is done, and it's my minifig's new home. And we have custom-made driveways for this house and this house, where my guy's Lamborghini can park, and this Ferrari. Over here, we've added this driveway to the Harry Potter house, and now this car can drive in. That's it for today. Bye guys, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.